Hello, everyone. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to first, number one, I want to thank you all for being so patient with me returning to my channel. And I want to tell you exactly what my journey has been all about, why I have not been on this channel in several months. Number one, I was taking care of a family member and my mother. Uh, God rest her soul. And I know she is one of those angels that is definitely looking over me and my family at this time. But also, in order for me to continue to share, in order for me to continue to do the best that I can do for you as my audience, I felt that training and adding extra skill sets to myself, and that goes along with training, that I would be more proficient for you, I would be more accountable for you, and I can give more value to you. I didn't just want to be another talking head coming into your home, your office, or wherever you're viewing my videos on my channel. I didn't want to just be another talking head that didn't give you what you so richly deserve when you take the time out to watch me on my channel. Okay, so first and foremost, again, I want to thank you so much for your patience. Now I'll be starting my channel back up, giving you tidbits, giving you facts, giving you value. And what I mean by that is I have to honestly say, and I don't know about anybody else, there were several things sometimes that come down our path. Come down our path, we get excited about it, we want to share it with the world, but we just don't give it enough fine tuning of a chance to see whether or not it pans out, see whether or not it really is going to work for the masses before we jump all in and we put our good hard earned dollars in. We want to make sure that value continues for the long haul. And ladies and gentlemen, I have to be honest with you, over the last several months, even though I haven't been on this channel, even though I haven't given you anything at that time, I've seen a lot of things come and go. I've seen some things resurface. I'm glad to say I've seen some things that resurface. I'm not glad to say. But the thing is when I came back on my channel, I always said, I want people to say, this is a done for you source right here. This is a young lady that no matter what, when I go to her channel, I'm going to have value. When I leave away from her channel, I can implement the things that she shared, the strategies that she shared, the platforms that she's involved with, and I will find success. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you so much for your patience. Please stay tuned because there's several things that I've partaked in these last several months, and they're holding their weight in gold. They're holding their weight in gold, and I will definitely be sharing them with you. I want to make sure that I have the value. I want to make sure that what I give you is going to stick because just like anything else, we have residual bills. So we definitely need to have residual income platforms that are going to stick with the test of time, just like our mortgages, just like our utilities, car notes, and any other bills that we have on a 30-day basis, every 30 days that come 12 times out of the year. We want to make sure that you have value-based platforms that'll be able to help you to sustain. We all see exactly since this pandemic what has happened up and down, sideways, how we've been thrown, how we have been manipulated in our government. We've seen how we've been coerced into one thing or another without solid proof and validity that things will actually stand the test of time for us. And that's what we need. Things that are proven, admin that are ethical, admin that are honest and have integrity, and admin that really, really care about the people. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll have that for you. So again, thank you for your patience and look forward to me bringing some wonderful, wonderful platforms and opportunities to you that will transcend time and will be the best for you to start ending 2022 and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great one. And definitely check out a link below. I have something for you that I know you'll be interested in. It is a young man that fought back his system, that was helping everybody across the board, and is back even more so with a bang. Definitely hit the notification because you will be thrilled at the information that I will be uploading to you, the value that I will be giving to you. So, as a networker, as an affiliate marketer, and as an internet provider, I will assure you we have just begun. So, have a great one. Speak to you soon, and bye for now.